Hey everyone, today we're tackling one of fall's biggest nightmares, leaf cleanup, with the EGO Power LB6504. This cordless beast claims to outmuscle gas blowers while being quieter, cleaner and way cooler. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Right out of the box, this thing screams quality. The LB6504 feels solid but surprisingly lightweight, just 8.1 pills with the battery. The grip? Ergonomic heaven. And check out this weather-resistant design. Rain or shine, you're covered. But the real magic? That turbo button. We'll get to that soon. Watch, this normal mode is plenty strong for dry leaves. But hit turbo? Boom! That's 180 mph, enough to shame most gas blowers. Gas blowers sound like chainsaws. This is quieter than my vacuum, perfect for early mornings or avoiding angry neighbors. The 5-hour battery gives you 90 minutes on low, but turbo drains it in 15. Pro tip, buy an extra battery if you've got a huge yard. But hey, no gas, no fumes, no pull cords, just swap and go. This lock-on button saves your thumb during long sessions, and the balance? So good you'll forget you're holding a powerhouse. Wet leaves are the worst, but turbo mode chews through them. It's not quite as strong as a 40cc gas blower, but for 95% of homeowners, more than enough. And because it's cordless, you're not tripping over wires or revving a noisy engine, just freedom. If you're already in EGO's battery ecosystem, this is a no-brainer. If not, it's an investment, but one that'll last years. The EGO LB6504 isn't just a leaf blower, it's a gas blower killer. It's powerful, quiet and built to last. If you hate raking and love tech, this is your MVP. Drop a comment if you ditch gas for this beast. Smash that like button and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.